everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how the upcoming month of May is going to be for your zodiac. And now talking about the Gemini zodiac. So Gemini's for love this month. It seems like you can be, if you're single, then you can be more on the path of moving on from some previous connection, leaving the grudges, leaving the disappointments behind. You can be more confident in yourself. You can be more determined to overcome the obstacles and disappointments that you have been facing when it comes to love in the past. So now you can be more into the journey of healing, but with strength as well. So all of those things can be quite there, and maybe there may not be a very prominent connection coming up for you, but yes, that individual strength can be there. And talking about if you are already in a relationship, then it seems like there can be some on and off arguments or conflicts that can be happening between you and your partner. There can be times when you can feel that you both are not being on the same page. There can be some difference of opinions that can be there, but with keeping all of that aside, you can still have that determination to actually make this relationship work. So even with the arguments, even with the conflicts, you both would be keeping that in mind, that you have to make this relationship work. So all that progress can be there in your relationship. Talking about your career wise, this can be the month where you can get some leadership roles. You can feel confident with your skills, with your resources that you're having. It is also likely that you would be having more responsibility to lead others as well. So when you're in the position of leading, when you're in the position of making plans, executing things, then you have to keep in mind that you don't dominate others, or you don't just overpower others with your own skills, because your aura, your overall energy can be quite fierce. So this is something that you should be keeping in mind, that you have to keep the team together, and you don't have to oppress them in a way. So you have to be confident, but don't be overconfident or dominant. The career wise, the path can be flourishing for you. So overall, career wise, things can be quite good. And finances wise as well, there can be some new opportunities for your way to make more money, or to enhance your finances. So this can be a good growth for your finances as well. This month can also put you in a position to make some new choices, new creative choices when it comes to your finances. So that growth can also be there. It can also make you feel fulfilled when it comes to finances. And the oracle message for you is which the justice is coming. And this means that if you that there have times when you were wronged, or you did not get the kind of justice that you actually deserve, then this seems to be more like a phase. All your good deeds can come together and provide you with the rewards of fulfillment that you actually deserve. And on the other hand, if there have been some faults from your end, if you have been into some mistakes, or you did something wrong intentionally, then also the consequences can be there for that. So you have to be cautious about that as well. But overall, yes, this month can bring some creative, fresh, new energies in your life. So all the best for that.